Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete all of your comments you have posted on Facebook on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete all of your comments that you have posted on multiple posts across your timeline on Facebook on your iPhone, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account from which you want to delete your comments. And to clear out your comments now guys, after opening the app on your account, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu or the three-line icon available for us. Tap on there, and after that you'll be on over here where it says the menu of your Facebook account, and at the top right corner of the screen tap on the settings icon and scroll down from over here until you can find the activity log under the category your activity, and tap on the activity log. And over here guys, there is the blue button where it says the public posts, public tags and story activities, just below the archive buttons. Swipe those blue buttons to the left until you can find your comments tab or the button. And over here guys, you can see your comments button is available for us just beside the likes and reactions. Tap on your comments, and over here guys, all of your comments you have posted on different posts on your Facebook timeline are available. Now in order to delete the comments, you can see there is the filter icon available for us. Tap on that filter icon, and after that this kind of panel will appear where you can clear out the comments of your account according to the categories, the date and the people. Or if you want to clear out all of your comments to the timeline, simply tap on the clear all button, and all of your comments you have posted on multiple posts on Facebook will be cleared out. But it will take a time guys, you have to be patient. All of your comments will be deleted in a certain time. And with that being said guys, this is how you delete all of your comments on your Facebook throughout the timeline and on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.